Let's talk about the Active Inbox. The Active Inbox is your communications hub for showings, listings, and other information in Touchbase. You can access it by clicking on Active Inbox in the Touchbase main menu, and here's where you can find it in our app. At the top of the Active Inbox, you'll see three tabs. There's the Active Inbox itself, which contains all your inbound messages. There's the Sent tab, which contains all your outbound messages. And there's the Archives tab, which contains all your inbound and outbound messages. Please note that a message will stay in your Active Inbox for 30 days. If you want to retrieve older messages, you can do so via the Reports section, which we explain in another video. If you click on a message, you can open it and read the last message. And below that message, you can see the entire communications history, so you can see the thread of communication that way. At the bottom, you can either reply to the message, call the agent directly, put an event in your calendar, or archive the message. I'm going to click back for now. If you want to select multiple messages at once, you can click on the icon and then it'll turn into a checkbox. From here, you can archive all the messages, which I won't do just yet. If you want to select all, you can click on this icon in the corner. And if you change your mind, you can click on Cancel in the opposite corner. Now, as an example, I'm going to archive some older messages. I select all 5 of these, click Archive, and now they're gone from the Active Inbox tab. But if we go to Archives, we can see that all the messages I archived are still here. Speaking of the Archives tab, there are 2 convenient ways to help you find the message that you're looking for in here. You could use the filters at the top to select the category of message that you're looking for. Or you can use the search bar to search for the agent's name or the address of the listing concerned. Let's say I want all the messages concerning 111 Flames Drive. To close your search, you can hit the X at the end of the search bar. There's a related function in Touchbase to the Archive tab, which is Pending Responses. You can access it by clicking on Pending Responses in the main menu, and here's where you can find it in our app. And in the Pending Response section, you can find all the messages that you've sent that you haven't had a follow-up on. If you choose to, you can click on a message and follow up with the agent manually. Please note that if you send a showing feedback request and still haven't gotten any feedback for it, if you reply, the proper way is to click on Other Message and not click on Showing Feedback. Thank you for watching the Active Inbox tutorial video.